Hello students, the question is from the TOC. The question is here a finite automata has been given, deterministic finite automata, and these are the transition they have given in the diagram. So this is an easy question. So we have to, and yeah, the input alphabet over which the transition is defined is 0, 1. So we have to define the language. We have to find out the language which is accepted by this particular given DFA. Okay, so let's check with the option itself. What is the first option? Set of all string that ends with 0, 1. Okay, so if it is telling that all the strings ending with 0, 1, that it means it should not accept first A option. Okay, it should not accept string say 1 0 1 0. Okay, because here is the substring, it should not accept this kind of pattern, right? So check it here, 1 0. Okay, 1 0, it can accept 0, so this is acceptable. But according to the given statement that set of all string that ends with 0 1, it should not be accepted, so that therefore this part is wrong. Now what is the second one? B is set of all string that contains 0 1 as its substring. It's true only. C, because the whatever the regular expression is generated is 1 star 0 and 0 star 1 and 0 plus 1 whole star. So for everything 0 1 will be present as a substring. Whether if this 0 will also be taken, the 0 1 will be the substring, right? So B option is correct. So we got the answer although, but I will like to tell you the C part also. See, what is the C part is given is set of all string that contains 0 0 as a substrings. Okay, so if it is 0 0 as a substring, as its substring, then whether this will be accepted 1 0 1 1, no, this won't be accepted, right? So let's check out this is accepting or not. So 1 0 1 1, yeah, this one, so it is accepting, right? So this is accepting, therefore C part is wrong. So our answer is what? Answer is B. Thank you.